Hey guys, welcome back to OttoEx. In front of me is a 1996 Toyota Granvia van. Toyota started making these Granvias in 1996 or late 95 was the production on them, and they're fantastic vans. They have a lot in common with the Hiace, sharing a lot of the drivetrain and a few other underpinnings, but it's a bit of a different animal. And in this video, we're going to get into why you might want one, why you might not want one, and why I really like them. So walking around this lovely two-tone four-wheel drive Granvia, you'll notice some really interesting factory decals. Feel free to interpret that however you want, but that's always fun to see, the interesting translations into English. So this thing is really, really clean. It only has 54,000 original kilometers, which translates to about 31,000 miles. See, we've got the rear spoiler option. Factory wheels wrapped in some nice open range all-terrain tires. Looking down the driver's side, you see the same badging. This is all factory, unmodified. Up front, there's a front factory brush guard framing two Bosch fog lights. Let's take a look inside. You'll notice this has Toyota factory rain guards on the front driver passenger door. Very clean door cards. Some nice, it's wrapped in Alcantara. So these seats are in tremendous condition. They had seat covers on them, factory seat covers, which are included with the sale of this van. We pulled them off just to showcase the quality and condition of the seats. This is a Gomi, or known as trash. It's a little factory trash bin, rubbish bin, to make your road trip a little bit more comfortable. So rear moonroof, front sunroof. Driver's seat has a fully adjustable armrest. Very nice spacious pass through here. Let's take a look around on the driver's side. This vehicle was actively registered in Japan when we acquired it, so it's had really recent maintenance. Runs flawlessly. Smells new inside. Let me step in, but before I do, I want to show you these really nice factory step covers that are on driver, passenger, and rear insteps. So stepping in, a very nice seating position. Gets you nice and upright. Looking at the cluster, 54,958 kilometers. It's an automatic tree shift. There's a few nifty controls back here. You have your side curtains power, rear curtains power, your fog lights, your ECT mode, rear heat. Over here you have your idle up for your diesel. It is a turbo diesel engine, 3-liter turbo diesel. A very nice upgraded factory Toyota head unit, double din, satellite, wonderful sound. It's a tape and CD, which I can show you if I can remember how to do it. open, that would be the one. All right, so you can load your tape and your CD there. Climate controls, pretty straightforward. This has front 4-point sonar, so it beeps when you get close to stuff. You turn that on. New tires with a full warranty. Little storage bin here. Looking back, seats 8 folks. So that is the whole family and then some. Wonderful seating. You'll see the curtains all around. Why don't we start it up so you guys can hear the engine? And this also has a factory Toyota key here with unlock buttons, so keyless entry, which was pretty premier back in 1996. Let's turn that down. The radio does sound great. Speakers sound awesome in this thing. It's not a very loud engine, which is nice. This van has a lot of insulation. This was more of a premier trim van. I would put it in the same league as perhaps Lexus vehicles. Back in the 90s, Toyota didn't really have Lexus in Japan. So that's your Japanese toll card box. So there it is. 3.0 turbo diesel 1KZ engine. Let's take a look in the rear. So this van is all-wheel drive, full-time. Excellent candidate for driving in snow, sand, and other adverse terrain. Middle row. This pulls forward, so if you want to hop into the back. I also want to show you that these middle row seats rotate completely like this. So the bench also does the same thing. The seats are on very long tracks. As you can see, one row can be pulled out, this row can be moved all the way forward or back, and vice versa. Actually, the middle rows can only go back to here, but the back row can go the full length of the van. The van has quite a bit of space. I don't have the exact measurements off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure you could fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood in behind the front seats. A lot of space in here, very comfortable, very quiet. There's a nice comfy middle armrest here. You don't need a third seat. A few other gadgets. I'm not even sure what this is. Looks to be, oh, it's a cup holder. Over here, you have rear climate controls. And you have controls for your curtains. Back here, you also have your curtain control and an ashtray. So that is the whole shebang. Up here are your rear AC controls for your upper vents. And that's it. Curtains are all on tracks. Power operated curtains, as I mentioned earlier. Just a really cool van. Now I'm gonna walk over and show you something that's in the background here. One of our team members has a Granvia, and it is also a 96. His is lifted. So just so you can see the ulterior potential of these vans, he has his camper eyes. So this is how they look with all the seats removed. Plenty of space to do whatever you want with this van. Use it as a cargo van, use it as a modular camper, build it out, whatever you choose. You can really do it. Very versatile platform. The vans lift well. His has about a 2-inch lift on it. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of this 96 Toyota Granvia. Hopefully it's still for sale by the time you're watching this video on our website. You can find us on OttoEx.com. That's OttoEx.com. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of this van. Do you like it? You can check us out on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.